it's Krystal, and I am so excited to be chairing this conference for and about neurodiverse physicians. My talk is going to be about neurodiversity in the healthcare setting. And we know that 1 in 5 people are neurodiverse. So that means I know that there are patients in your practices who are neurodiverse, who may not even know it, who may know it and may not think it impacts their health care and so don't disclose it. But we're going to talk about some of the different neurodiversities and how they can or potentially can impact your treatment plan. We'll also talk about how you can create a neurodiversity affirming practice so that you can maximally serve all of your patients. We have an amazing speaker lineup. I'm so excited for you to enjoy this conference about neurodiverse physicians.